friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make egg curry. This side dish best goes with steamed rice or even with chapatis or rotis. Very spicy and delicious recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds. When the fennel seeds splutter, add few chopped pandan leaves. This is optional. Then add 1 onion very finely chopped, 2 green chilies and few curry leaves. Saute for a minute until the onion turns nice and transparent. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped. Saute for 2 minutes until the raw flavor of the ginger garlic paste goes off and the tomato turns nice and mashy. Now it's ready, so let's go ahead and add the spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and a teaspoon of salt. Saute well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now go ahead and add 2 cups of water. Allow this to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so close it with a lid and cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's open and check. The gravy is nicely done, so go ahead and add 1/2 cup of coconut paste. Give it a nice mix and simmer the flame. Let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes now, so crack in 2 eggs. I'm also adding 3 boiled eggs. I've made few cuts in the boiled eggs. Let this simmer for another 5 minutes. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and your delicious egg curry is now ready. Very easy recipe, so do try this recipe at home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.